Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori. I was actually hoping to hit that clicker to turn it on record when that moonlight that changes colors, it was green, and I was like, yes, please change it quick. Go oh, there it goes. So I wanted it to start the video, you know, in honor of St. Patrick's Day. So anyway, I do have a box for you guys. I also am going to be doing the premium. I don't know, Sassy's screaming and yelling, telling me to get the hell out of the chair. She wants to do it herself. She's even a little bit perturbed at my choice of clothes. This is what she wanted to wear. She does get very loud, and she does determine whether or not I'm going to do the video or she's going to do it and what we wear. So buckle up, sit tight, grab a piece of paper and a pencil in case you have any questions. Actually, just get your keyboard out and leave a question in the comment section down below. All right. This is IPSY. It is in a box, not a box like we've seen. I do have down here a box full of all of my puffy pink mailers. So everything's come that I was waiting for, that matters, that I think are the ones that you guys kind of want to see all the different variations. This was the Fenty Beauty edit sale. That's right. All the stuff in this box is by Fenty Beauty. On the back, it does have a list of all the items that are included in your box. However, there is no price on there, so I do not know. But there is something. It says it's valued. All of this here, it has Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin. Everything is valued at $171. And we only paid $49.99. So it's supposed to have $171 worth of products in here. I hope so. So I'm actually glad that what I did. I took everything when I looked at it the first time, and I put it in this bag that IPSY sent with it. So IPSY put this in that box. It was part of it. And then all the products were laying around it. But I went ahead and just carefully put it in the bag, and I'm kind of glad I did, because everything else would have been a big, huge mess, and this would have been a big, long video. And we don't want that. If it's Sassy's, whatever. Yeah, you guys, whatever. I know how you guys are when it comes to her versus me. Yeah, I get it. She's the cool kid. I'm the one that walks up to the comment cooler and everybody goes, everyone go back to your desk. Look at, here she comes. That's okay. I've been treated that way all my life. All right, so this is that cute little bag. Actually, this is a little bag, makeup bag, that I already own. So it doesn't bother me at all. If any of you guys think this would be a great, you know, prize that, oh, was there something else in there? There is. A great prize, like maybe I'll fill this bag up. You know, is that a good idea? You guys think that's a good idea? If it's a good idea, let me know in the comment section down below, okay? Because I would love to just, you know, there's a lot of products you can put in there. Anyway, I have 2 of them. And you know how you know what's inside is because the color of this little tag that's on the zipper. All right, let's dig into this bag, you guys. So for the edit sale on the Fenty Beauty, oh, I swear, you break my concentration every single time, buddy. Like, just please settle down. He's having nightmares. So he's making all kinds of funky noises over there. Then he turns completely upside down, and I think he's having a seizure, even though he's had all his medicine today. Anyhow, the first one, let's get back to this, okay? So the first one is the total, this is the total cleanser. It's a remove it all cleanser. That's this one right here. But I'm going to let you know right now, the products are small. For $49.99, I don't think her products are priced that high that if you said, hey, here's $49.99, make a bundle for me, that this justifies it. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? It's like, if I'm gonna pay $49.99 and you're gonna have like this little edit sale, put some bigger products in there. Unless this is how big it is. You know, if this is the biggest that your tube is, I get it. I understand it. No problem. But if this is just kind of like the next size down, the small one, no. At least do that with 2 to 3 products. Okay, that's all I ask. All right, that's it right there. By the way, if any of you guys are interested in a 20% off any FentyBeauty.com with a code, I'm going to put it on the screen and you can take advantage of it. Like I said, this one does not have a price. None of them have a price listed. The next one is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. That's this one right here. Let's see. Yep. And it kind of looks like gel. Doesn't it remind you of like aloe vera? It does, like maybe a little bit of watered down aloe vera. It says fat water. It's fat water. Okay, meet Rihanna's favorite skincare step. Just a few drops of this toner serum hybrid helps minimize the appearance of pores, thanks to a healthy dose of niacinamide and that luxuriously thick feel. Well, it's designed to absorb lightning fast to help hydrate and plump fine lines. Whew, too much. Too much info. All right, the next one is the Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner. And that is this one. This is the Fly Pencil. Now, can we get it out? A lot of times these things are all sealed up. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, good. Sorry. This is gorgeous. It's like lilac. Look at that. I mean, this is beautiful. It's like mirrored almost. Right? It's a roll up. I don't want to roll it up, but look, it's dark. No. Is it that color? No. Oh, well. I just used a little bit of what, you know, what was showing that's not going back down. But I can probably tell you right now, I will be keeping that. Because I used a black eyeliner tonight on the top of my lids to line it. And then what I do is I take the black eyeshadow on one of the disposable sponge applicators and I rub back and forth so it softens that line. It almost looks like there's not a lot. Looks like there's liner that was like put on there really nice instead of a pencil liner. So, all right, let's keep on going. The Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Use it, love it, have it. Right there. And I have 3 other boxes in inventory because I knew I love this stuff. Works fantastic. So every time it was in the add-on sales or any kind of drop sale or whatever, I can't remember the other sale that IPSY used to have, but I ended up stocking up on it. So there you go. Love it. Love it. Recommend it. The next one is Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Oh yeah, you guys, mascara. Check this out. Is that not the tiniest tube you've ever seen? Of course, you haven't seen it, Lori. We don't even know what it is. Oh, I know. You know why? It says, "'Cause I'm black." God is my witness. That's exactly what the top says. So at least we know it is a black color. So you're going to get that really nice coverage on it. Now this tube, I don't know that I have this one open right now. I do. Does it say "'cause I'm black"? This is Full Frontal. Yeah, it does. I never noticed that. I'll be darned. I'll be darned. So this is a travel size. So this will go deep. I like doing when, you know, like when the giveaways, and I have my extra IPSY bags, the little makeup bags, because Sass and I get them both. And so I just put one away. And then what I do is I like to take them, and I don't do this in everyone's box. So just, you know, I didn't get one in my box. No, I don't do this in everyone's box. I will take one. It all depends. It just when the thought comes to me. I grab a bag and I put a whole bunch of, you know, tester things that we get. Little deluxe samples we get in our IPSY bag. So you never know. You might end up with one of those. All right, the next one is the Diamond Balm. Remember this because I thought I was wondering what happened. It came in the, came in Boxy. It came in Boxy with the Mercury retrograde. Yeah, this is the all over diamond veil. And remember, you guys were saying, hey, that was a choice. And I said, oh, I did not see this on Sassy's card. But anyway, this is the Diamond Balm. I'm not going to open it up. We have already seen this. Last but not least is the Glass Balm Heat Universal Lip Luminizer. It has ginger root oil and capsicum fruit extract. Capsicum, I guess, fruit extract to give your lips a fuller looking appearance. Now, the one thing I will say about her lip products, oh yeah, yes, love them. They're keepers. I mean, Lord Almighty. Okay, let's fix these lips. I'm just going to put some on right now. I mean, because I'm not giving this stuff away. I don't think so. Well, just in case. Just in case. So that's all I'm using. She's right about one thing too. It may fill and go on goopy, but it instantly stops any kind of sticky, weird, strange, gloppy feeling. All of a sudden you're within seconds, because it's like I could feel it when it first went on. There's the green. And then all of a sudden it's like done. So this will never ever go back inside that bottle or touch the tip once it's been applied to my lips. So see, you guys are starting to see how I use and do stuff. Normally I edit it out, but I'm going to start leaving it in just so you guys understand that I have all this stuff. And for the rest of you that are doing videos and you're trying to get rid of your products and wondering, you know, I don't want to throw this stuff away, stop touching them. I mean, I'm not trying to say this harshly. It doesn't cost much to order all of these little tester things. You know, these, I have tons and tons. You get them from Amazon. They come in like hundreds, 2, 3, 4, 500, 600. And all you do is just, you know, just like what I did. Eyeshadows, you never have to touch another eyeshadow. Cross-contaminant. Just trust me on this, you guys. If you're a digital creator and you have a ton of products, but you're using them and now all of a sudden they're going to go in the trash, stop dipping into them. Use a tester applicator. And find something that is, you know, disinfected so that your stuff never goes inside the product. Anyway, I'm done. I sound like a nag now. I'm going to send my, see, Sassy could say shit like this. But I can't. Anyway, I don't even know what the color was. This was Fenty Glow Heat 03. So somebody might get this. Oh, yes. Let's see. Somebody might get this. Oh my goodness. It's almost like somebody put chili pepper, like pepper on my lips. Is it going to make them like, you know, they have that, what's it called? Are you having an allergic reaction? All of a sudden my lips are just going to plump up. Oh, you guys, I did that filter that has the one where your lips get big. Looks like you've had surgery. Oh my gosh. No, I deleted it. I was not going to post that on Instagram on my wall. I said no. But anyhow, that's all I wanted to show you guys. That was my edit sale, Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, and all the items that we got, including the IPSY bag. So there was 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. We got 7 items for $49.99, and it's supposed to be $171 in value. So I think we did pretty good. I mean, for 50 bucks, right? Let me know in the comment section down below. Oh, that code. I'm going to tell you, and then I'm going to put it on the screen. The code is, this is all caps, so I don't know if that matters. Fenty X IPSY 20. Now, here you go. Did you pause the video? Did you pause the video? Because you got to pause the video. There it is, guys. That's enough. Use the code. Don't use the code. It's totally up to you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for spending just a little bit of time with me. Please do me a favor to hit that subscribe button. Flip that little switch up. Well, you know, make it turn white. And I think that's it. Share this video. We're trying to get to 500 so I can start using a community tab to communicate with you guys a lot more. All right, you guys, again, I'm trying to say goodbye. I know I'm trying to say goodbye. All right, you guys, take care. Let's not forget. Thanks for hanging out with me. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You taking